The technique is multiplication by 550 and 500. This is the very easy technique. Let us understand how to multiply number by 5. Multiply by 5. To multiply any number by 5, always consider 5 as 10 upon 2. This will make your multiplication very fast.
10 by 2.
Let us check for even number. For even number, it's even very more easier.
Divided by 2.
Even number. Let the number be 48, and you are said to multiply it by 5. Just consider it as 48 into 10 by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. 48 divided by 2 is 24. So just you have to write 24 and put a 0 at the end. Let us do some more example. 516 times 5. Now I will consider this 5 as 10 upon 2 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2. Now this becomes 11. 11 divided by 2 is 5. This becomes 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then is followed by 0. We consider 5 as 10 upon 2. Instead of...
Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay. 5 and 10 upon 2 are equal. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, let me take one more example. Say the number is 248 times 5. So how I will solve? I will consider this 5 as 10 upon 2. So 248 into 10 divided by 2. You know,
Okay, sir.
you know how to divide any number by 2 quickly.
Yes, sir.
By 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and now you have divided the number by 2. Now multiply it by 0, multiply it by 10. Multiplying it 10 means simply putting it 0 at the right.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Very nice. Okay, so another example, 2568 times 5.
To the
This is 2 divided by 2, 1, 5 divided by 2, 2, 1 remaining, 1 and 6 becomes 16, 16 divided by 2 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4,
6.
put a 0 at the last.
8 are 16. তারপর আবার 8 টা down এসছে তো 8 2.
Yes, please mute yourself if you want to talk among yourself. Mute yourself and talk. Okay, 90918 divided by 5. So this is 4. This becomes 10. Divided by 2 is 5. 9 divided by 2 is 4. 1 remaining. 11 divided by 2 is 5. 1, 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then
It's
0.
just example. आप अपने नहीं लिखना है लिखा सकते एक एग्जांपल का बोर्ड पे लिखा रहा है.
Okay, so you got it. Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note it down. Now let the number be odd number. Even number समझ में आया, अब odd number देखते हैं. पहले 23 times 5. When you divide 23 by 5, consider 5 as 10 upon 2. When you divide it by 2, what you will get? 1 and 1, 11, and 1 is remaining. When the remainder is 1, put a 5 at the end. Again, some more examples. Again, I will repeat what you have to do. Say the number is 57 and you have to multiply it by 5. Consider 5 as 10 upon 2. Divide 57 by 2. 2 times 17. So 8 5s are 16. 1 remainder. If the remainder is 1, put 5 at the end. Okay. So we can generalize it. First, let us take few more example quickly. 2, 3, 1, 7 times 5. This is 1, again 1, 5, 8 and 5. So generalize what we have to do. Divide by 2. 2 case will arise. Number is even, put 0 at the end. After dividing by 2, if the number is even, put 0 at the end. Number is odd, put 5 at the end. Got it?
Sir,
Yes.
if this is like in the third one, when you divide it with 2, so you divide all the numbers, all the 4 digits. Then after that, when there is reminder, then only you should keep 5. Or if there's no reminder, then also you can
No,
keep.
whenever there is an odd number, whenever an odd number will be divided by 2, you will always get a remainder 1. In this case, a remainder will always be 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in this case, remainder will always be 0.
Sir,
Whenever
can you
any even number
explain
is
again?
divided by 2, remainder is always 0. And whenever an even odd number is divided by 2, remainder is always 1. Got it?
But sir, can you explain again odd number, because there was poor network connection. I could not hear.
Please speak a bit louder.
Sir, actually, can you repeat again how to multiply odd number? Because there was connection issue in here.
Okay. I will take few more example. Let the number be 5765 and I have to multiply it by 5. What I will do, I will divide this number by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2. 1 remaining, and 1 and 7 becomes 17. 17 divided by 2 is 8. Again 1 remain. 1 and 6 becomes 16. Divided by 2 is 8. 5 divided by 2 is 2. Remainder is 1. So put a 5 at the end. Now clear?
Sir, can you explain it a bit slowly?
Please be a bit louder.
Sir, can you explain it a bit slowly?
Explain a bit slowly. Okay, I will divide the number as you people divide in your school. You have been taught since childhood to divide a number like this. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 and 7 becomes 17. 2 times 8 is 16. So 1 and 6. Now 2 times 8 is 16. We take 5 here. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1 remains. Now this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Please note it down.
Noted, sir.
Okay. You have to solve this example and send answer to me privately in chat window. Aditya, your answer is correct. Siddhant, your answer is correct. Nikhil, your answer is correct. Two divided by two is one. 6 divided by two is 3. 1 divided by 2 is 0, and 1 will get to the next step. 1 and 3 becomes 13. Yeah, Shanvi, your answer is also correct. 13 divided by 2, quotient is 6, remainder is 1. So when remainder is 1, put 5 at the end. Okay, so the technique is clear to everyone.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, now the same goes for 50 and 500. When you have to multiply by 50, it simply means consider 50 as 100 upon 2. So when remainder is 0, put double zero. This is for even number. And one remainder is 1, that is odd number. Put 50. Same goes for multiplication by 500. 500 is 1000 upon 2. So divide the number for even number, that is remainder 0, put 3 zeros, and for odd numbers, that is remainder 1, put 500. Let us quickly solve few examples before I give exercise for you to solve.
Sir, can you show the previous page once?
Yeah, sure. Yes, please take a screenshot if you wish.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Took it. Sir, you have not showed it, sir.
What I have not showed, beta?
Sir, it's not, acha, now it's coming.
Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, let me solve some example before you. Just pay attention. The number is 21174 times 50. So what I will do, I will divide it by 2. This becomes 12557, and remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, I have to put double zero. I will solve very slowly for you. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 5 divided by 2 is 2, and remainder 1. So 1 and 1 becomes 11. Divided by 2 is 5. Again 1 and 1 becomes 11. Divided by 2 is 5. 1 and 7 becomes 17. Divided by 2 is 8. 1 and 4 becomes 14. Divided by 2 is 7. So 1, 2, 5, 5, 8, 7, this I have written, and then it should be followed by 2 zeros. Let's take another example. 1, 9, 8, 0, 4, 3 times 50. I will start dividing it by 2. 1 divided by 2 is 0. 19 divided by 2 is 9, and again it becomes 18 divided by 2 is 9. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Don't forget to put this 0. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1. Since the remainder is 1, it is an odd number and the remainder is 1. What you have to put at the end? 50. Let me take more example. This time we will multiply the number by 500. So 5 divided by 2 is 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4. This becomes 18 divided by 2 is 9. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 1 divided by 2 is 0 and 1 remainder. When the remainder is 1, you have to put 500 at the end.
Sir, in the third step, 2 nines are 18. Not
Yeah, I have written 9. By mistake, it went as 4. It is 29900. This is
yes, sir.
9. So 2, then again 9. So got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
117142 into 50. This is for you. Solve and send the answer in chat. Right. Aditya, just cross check your answer. You are quite close, but not accurate. Nikhil, same mistake. You are also quite close, but not accurate. What? Aditya, now you are correct. This is 1 and 1. 11 divided by 2 is 5. 7 divided by 2 is 3. It becomes 11 divided by 2 is 5. It becomes 14 divided by 2 is 7. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then you have to put 2 zeros at the end. You people are putting only 1 0. That's why I said close but not accurate. 5, 8, eh? 505857100. ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? मैं लिखता हूँ तो आधा क्या? 585715857100. ओके, अब फिर से ध्यान देना, ये बीच में गायब ये बच जाता है शायद। अच्छा, okay, let us solve this question once again. This is 11 divided by 2 is 5, 1 remaining, 1 and 7 becomes 17. Divided by 2 is 8, again 1 remaining, 1 and 1 becomes 11, 11 by 2 is 5, again 1 and 4 becomes 14, 14 divided by 2 is 7, 2 divided by 2 is 1, followed by 2 zeros. Correct? Okay, next question for you all. 59102001 times 500. Okay, I will solve it for you. 2955100500. Is it correct?